Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and I wanted to pop in for another quick tip for you. On a previous video, I outlined how you could easily create direct download links for your Google Drive um, documents. Today, I want to show you how to take that extra long link and turn it into a short link. Now, while you can utilize short link services like I'm sorry, not .com, if you have a WordPress website, you can actually do that on your own site and you'll have your own branded um, website links. And it's pretty simple to do. All you need to do is go into your WordPress website, go to your plugins, and you want to look for a plugin called Pretty Links. It's free. Um, and once you install that plugin and activate it, then you'll see something that looks like this in your WordPress dashboard sidebar. So you'll go to Pretty Links, which I'm already on the page. And if I want to add a new link, I simply can click up here to add new, which will take me to a new screen. You want to title your link something that's going to be easy for you to remember. And because I'm doing this just as a test, I'm going to call this test freebie. And I leave the redirection just set like it comes as a default. Your target URL, this is where you're going to place that direct download link that you received from that other from the page where we created a direct download link. And then you just, oops, sorry about that. Let me go back and get my link. Okay, so I got my link. I'm going to paste it in there. And then here on this section where it says pretty link, this is what I want the back end of that website link to say. So because I'm calling it test, I'm just going to say test here. But whatever it is that you're doing, you want to put it for something that's it's going to be easy for you to remember, something that's not very long. Okay, so you put that there. Then you'll want to click update. And from here, you can click this copy to clipboard. And when I click the update, that's going to go ahead and publish that link, which is going to make it live. So now here in my list of pretty links that I've created, you see this last one that I just created here. And it gives you the ability, you can edit the link, you can delete it, you can do a quick edit. You could tweet it if you want to, you could email it. But this also gives you the ability, this here gives you the ability to visit the main link so that you can just make sure you link it to the right thing. But you'll also find this little quick copy to clipboard there, and that gives you the ability to just easily paste that, and you'll take that link that the new pretty link that you just created, you'll take that link, put it into your document, put it into if you're doing a social media post and you want to create a link to something, you can do that. And you see that link is much shorter than that long link that I got from Google Drive. Okay, I just wanted to give you, again, I wanted to show you how to easily create your own short links using your WordPress website. I hope this helped. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And I hope this helps and have a great day.